Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea. If you're new, hi and welcome. Today we're going to do the recap of September 30th through October 6th. And on this week I used the Hello Fall kit from TheCraftyStudent. And here are my leftovers. Every week I have the same, or I should say every month I do get the same thing. I get the weekly kit and then I get the functional sheet. So that's what's going to be in here today. So I used the majority of the functional sheet, and now this goes into the weekly kit, majority of the littles page here, almost all of them, and then also all of the icons just about. I used the headers sheet, which also comes with half boxes and quarter boxes and 3 half ombre checklists. There's the decorative full boxes. I used a couple of the flags. Used all of the full box ombre checklist, as well as the 2 weekly, as I always do, and I use all of the icons except for one. Cover, this is the day covers. This basically just gets used during or for the sidebar. And then the washi, I actually use almost all of it. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the large bottom piece. I might end up just start cutting it, but I'm not sure yet. I kind of wish, I don't know. We'll see. But I did figure out how I want to use the washi, so that's what I'm doing. I have on every week using it the same way for the most part, except for the current week, or actually the next week will be a little different. I used all but 2 pieces of washi and then the bottom. So now on to the weekly view. This was the first week of fall break. We had 1 week until we moved, and as usual I put our dinners on the side, and work and school schedule here. And when we visited birthdays, my mom's birthday was on that Saturday. We also went to my father-in-law's. So I had all of this that I just basically do the same thing every week. And my sidebar is the same the next couple weeks, but then I actually changed it because, well, I ran out of some stickers and I needed a change. So this was just my list of the important things that happened that week, so that way if I need to come back and check, then I can just look real quick on which day, because I always click these when I'm done the weeks. So I have like my little list, and then I usually have like a small breakdown of the week as well, just written. And then here I just put that we packed, and then each room to clean, as well as my laundry. And then I had another list. This is where things change. My dailies are the same, and I had a couple of bills that week. And on to the dailies. On this Monday, I was trying to get a hold of one of my daughter's therapists, but or potential, I should say. That's a long story. I still have to make the video, but long story short, my daughter is autistic, and I will be talking about that very soon. She is 4 and she just got diagnosed back in March, so just after she had turned 3.5. So anyways, this day was pretty lazy. It was the first day of fall break. We deposited some money. Yeah, just the usual. Tuesday I did some corresponding with where we live now, because by the time you see this we would have already moved like about a week ago. Today is a Wednesday after, so we moved last week. But I ended up not putting on as much each week. I did figure out how I wanted to put my TV shows down. I figured out how I wanted to put the laundry loads down for each day. On Tuesday, though, I did get a lot of stuff pushed, but then I got a lot of stuff done on Wednesday. Wednesday is my mom boss stuff day, so where I just get like any phone calls or emails, texts, anything like that I need to get done. Thursday, I worked on some blog posts. I read for a little bit, which was really nice. I still have a lot to do from this week. Everything always gets moved over. I did get everything done here. Talked to my parents several times this week. That Saturday, we ended up going and seeing The Joker and then coming home and packing for a little bit. I also got my haircut and my eyebrows done, which I'm not too happy about my eyebrows, but my haircut, then on Sunday, and we dropped the kiddo off so that way we could finish packing and all that. And we also ended up going to IHOP for breakfast. On Sunday, we went to my husband's dad's, my father-in-law's, and I also talked to my mom because it was her birthday. We got some stuff done. I didn't check everything off because, like I said, we've been very busy. And yeah, that's it for this week. The last video I showed you the following week, but because I have another video to do, I'm not going to do that this time. I will link this kit and promo code for 25% off using Chelsea25. And yeah, I will see you guys in a couple minutes with my next video. That is if you watch them back to back. So don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you love planner videos, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!